Built your portfolio, but still struggling to get your first client on Upwork? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to actually use your freelance portfolio to impress clients and land your first job, even with zero experience. These are real, proven strategies that work in 2025. Let's begin. Add portfolio to your Upwork profile. The first step is simple, but many skip it. Backhand index pointing right. Upload your best 1 to 2 portfolio samples directly to your Upwork profile. Go to Profile, Portfolio. Add a title, image or file, and a short description. Choose the correct category and skills. This gives your profile instant credibility, even if you've never worked with a real client. Use portfolio in proposals. When you send proposals, always include your portfolio link. Example. Here's a quick example of a similar project I've worked on, Google Drive/Behance link. This shows clients you've done similar work, even if it was self-made. Pro tip, add the link early in your proposal, not just at the end. Explain sample projects confidently. Clients don't care whether your portfolio came from paid clients or personal practice. They just want to see proof of skill. Here's how to explain it. This sample project was created to show how I solve this type of problem. It's not for a real client, but it reflects exactly what I can deliver. Be confident. Honesty plus presentation equals trust. First, proposal template with portfolio. Here's a simple proposal template you can use today. Hi, client name, I read your job post about, job title, and I'd love to help. I've created similar designs/writing in the past. Here's a quick sample of my work, portfolio link. I understand your requirements and can deliver solution within timeframe. Let's connect and make this easy for you. Thanks, your name. Short, clear, and focused on results. Bonus tips. Apply to new clients, they often take chances on beginners. Keep your rate affordable for the first job. Focus on niche projects related to your portfolio samples. Track which type of portfolio samples get the best response, and improve them. Bell. If this helped you, hit the like button and comment below. First client soon fire. And if you want the next video on how to deliver your first freelance project like a pro, just comment, next step. Subscribe to Earnify hacks for real, no-fluff freelancing tips. Let's grow together, one smart step at a time.